What's up, guys? So we're gonna introduce ourselves to you guys. My bad.
Aray mo, kaka!
Okay. I'm Yuna.
Di Villanueva.
And I live from
Philippines, Bulacan.
Malolos, Bulacan.
Baliw.
Not Baliw. Okay.
Oh yeah, let
We
me show
speak
you what's
Tagalog.
like.
We speak Tagalog, and this is my cousin
Balong
Alexa. I mean Rain Alexa. H. Billion Lebo. Yeah, maybe it's her favorite
Kakain ka na,
song.
tawag ka.
Oo nga, kakain na nga tayo.
Kasing kita. Bala
I
ka
have
dyan,
a
kunin
big
ka dyan
forehead.
ng peli.
Bye-bye. I will continue it later. We'll have to eat first. I will
Isda
be
nga
back.
lang, hindi nga.
Oh,
Guys, we
we've,
already eat now.
it's already night.
And we eat, when I buy this with my sis, but we escaped it by our grandma. We turn to Shurka. We buy this tic-tac-toe.
Yes, it's
And
already
this
night time.
And even there's a dead dog.
Yes, it's far away a little.
You see, there's a pilahan there, and you will
where
go
are
there.
we, bro? Where are we? Introduce. Okay, sabi mo muna yung favorite, favorite things mo.
My favorite is people and dog. And you know what's my favorite? Nakakatawa na video.
English.
You know what's my worst fate? Seeing the pale lady.
She always watch some horror shorts. That's why she is so scared every time we walk in the dark.
Now it's too hot, so I opened the fan.
Look at my hair, it's so messy. So my favorite things is dog, cat, people's grandma and mother and dad. My dad died on August 24.
Aray ko.
25. That's all, guys, and thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Thank you. That's all.